Hello and welcome to another video where we will explore some unique side hustles that can help you earn big in 2023. These side hustles provide amazing earning potential whether you're trying to make some extra money or launch a full-time business. Say goodbye to traditional methods of producing money and come along with us as we explore the intriguing world of these unorthodox side hustles. So, be sure to watch all the way to the finish and do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel to remain up to date on future videos. Let's begin. First on the list is podcast editing. Podcasting is a fast expanding industry, and with over 2 million podcasts available, it's apparent that people love them. But do you know what distinguishes a great podcast from the rest? It's the editing. The process of fine-tuning the audio quality, reducing background noise, adding sound effects, and ensuring that the audio is interesting and easy to follow is known as editing. It might take hours to create a single episode, but the end result is a polished and professional product that listeners will enjoy. So, where do you start? For that, one must have some basic tools, such as a computer, headphones, and audio editing software. You could begin selling yourself as a podcast editor after you have the necessary equipment. Offer your skills at a competitive fee to podcasters in your network or on social media. As you develop expertise and a good reputation, you may boost your charges and attract additional clients. The beauty of podcast editing is that it can be done from any location at any time. Work from home, a coffee shop, or even while on the run. It's a versatile and lucrative side hustle that can make you a lot of money. Aside from the important equipment described above, you might want to make an investment on a nice microphone to increase the audio quality. This will allow you to achieve greater results while also making your clients delighted with the end result. With just a few more bucks in equipment and some promotion, you can earn money as a podcast editor in no time. Second on the list is resume writing. Your resume is the key to getting the job of your dreams. It's your initial impression on potential employers, and it has the power to make or ruin your chances of getting an interview. That's why, in today's employment sector, a well-written and polished CV is essential. If you enjoy writing and have a strong eye for detail, resume writing might be the ideal side hustle. As a resume writer, you will assist job seekers in making their abilities and experience stand out to companies. You will create customized resumes that showcase their talents and assist them in landing their desired job. Resume writing is a one-of-a-kind side hustle that can pay well. Work from home, establish your own hours, and charge reasonable fees for your service. You can establish a name for yourself and attract a consistent stream of clients if you have the correct talents and marketing approach. To get started, you must first learn the fundamentals of resume writing. You will need to know how to style a resume, utilize powerful action verbs, and highlight your client's accomplishments in a way that captures the employer's eye. Once you've mastered the fundamentals, you can start selling yourself to potential clients. There are several methods for marketing your resume writing services. You may exhibit your abilities and expertise by creating a website or blog. You may also network with industry professionals and offer your skills to their clientele. As you develop expertise and a good reputation, you may raise your charges and attract additional clients. Pet sitting and dog walking is the third unique side hustle that you will simply appreciate. Pet sitting and dog walking may be a satisfying and unusual side job that allows you to make money while spending time with cute animals. You will be responsible for taking care of pets while their owners are away, whether for a few hours or for a longer amount of time, as a pet sitter or dog walker. Typically, pet sitting is visiting a client's house to feed, play with, and provide basic care for their pets, such as changing litter boxes, providing medication, or taking them for a walk. Dog walking, on the other hand, involves taking a client's dog for a walk around the neighborhood or a nearby park. It's not only a pleasant and delightful side hustle, but it can also be highly profitable. Many pet owners are prepared to pay good money for trustworthy and dependable people to care for their animals. Additionally, as more individuals acquire dogs, the need for pet sitters and dog walkers is continuously rising. On top of that, pet watching and dog walking provide a flexible work schedule that may be adapted to your needs. You may select the hours that work best for you, whether you want to work full-time or just a few hours each week. You may also select the sorts of animals you wish to care for, such as dogs, cats, or even exotic creatures such as reptiles or birds. Starting your own pet sitting or dog walking business could be a simple and affordable endeavor. All you need is a passion for animals, a reliable source of transportation, and a few essentials like leashes, poop bags, and food bowls. You could additionally promote your services online via social media or local classified advertisements. So, if you love animals and want to make some additional money, why not try pet sitting or dog walking? Who knows, it might be the ideal side gig for you. A personal concierge is the fourth and last unique side hustle you might pursue. It's a one-of-a-kind and successful side hustle that may help you make money while doing what you enjoy, assisting and supporting others in their daily routines. As a personal concierge, you will serve as a devoted assistant to customers, running errands for them, and providing a variety of services to make their lives simpler. Think about it. We all lead busy lives, with job, family, and social obligations taking up the majority of our time. The sheer quantity of chores that must be completed each day frequently causes individuals to feel overwhelmed and worried. As a personal concierge, you will be the go-to person for clients wishing to outsource jobs and activities that they do not have time for. You will be able to provide a variety of services as a personal concierge, such as grocery shopping, pet care, housekeeping, meal preparation, organizing trips, and more. You can tailor your services to each client's specific needs, ensuring that they receive the individualized support they deserve. The benefit of working as a personal concierge is that you can determine your own hours and fees. Depending on the time you can spare and the demand for your services, you can work as much or as little as you choose. Because of its adaptability, it is an ideal side hustle for anybody wishing to supplement their income without jeopardizing their existing career or lifestyle. Take on the role of a personal concierge if you find yourself looking for a unique and successful sideline. You could establish a profitable business and help people simplify their lives if you have the appropriate mindset, devotion, and organizational abilities. Begin by promoting your services to friends and family. Word of mouth will swiftly spread. You will soon have a continuous stream of clients and a successful business that can earn you a lot of money. Keep in mind that the prospects for making money or even creating a full-time business through side hustles are numerous and attractive. You may tap into the huge income possibilities that side hustles provide with perseverance, hard effort, and smart preparation. So whether you want to supplement your income or follow your entrepreneurial dreams, remember to investigate the vast world of side hustles and use them to attain your financial objectives. And that's a wrap. We hope you found this video useful and educational. Which of these side hustles would you want to try the most? Kindly let us know in the comments section below. Also, if you appreciated this video, please like and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content like this. We thank you for sticking around and we will see you in the next one.